Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will talk about what artificial intelligence or AI cannot replace. And I'd like to know your thoughts in the comments below. And before we begin, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to slowly grow your problem-solving mindset. Now let's get down to business. I've broken this question of what can AI or artificial intelligence not replace into three separate factors. And today we will focus on the second part, or factor number 2, and its root causes. And so factor number 2 of what AI cannot replace in the workplace is motivation and long-term inspiration. See, motivation is a short-term human emotion, and inspiration is rather long-term. And while these can significantly vary from one person to another, only humans can share their motivations and inspire others that machines cannot replicate the same way. And to understand this better, let's dive into the first root cause, which is the fact that human beings have different moods and emotions throughout the day. And while a machine doesn't have that disadvantage or advantage based on what angle you see it from, right? Even the smallest of things like a quick recognition from your manager or from your team members can spike your motivations and incentivize you to push harder towards a collective vision, something that a machine can never replace. Now, let's look at the second root cause, which is the fact that AI can also be seen as an extension of our human self, right? Such as smartphones today are only an extension of what we can produce. And while AI can significantly improve our individual productivity because of how it enables us to produce outputs faster, it can never give us deeper meaning or purpose on the type of work we do and fulfillment that we derive by doing that work, which only leaders can help us define and visualize in our place in the organization. And these are the pieces that make up the second factor. Now in part 3, we will discuss the final factor and its two root causes. But before we move forward, I have one question for you. Do you think AI can give us motivation and inspiration the same way that humans can? I want you to think about it and leave your honest thoughts below. Now, consider subscribing to the channel to keep formulating your approach about more problem-solving questions and improve your problem-solving skills. I'll see you in the next exercise.